Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Ayush, watching your tech and coding channel, My Code Works. So guys, in this video we are going to see how to install Google AntiGravity new AI IDE that is killing all the AI agent IDE editors. Okay, so let's directly jump into the main search bar here. So let's search Google AntiGravity. Okay, simply just search it. Okay, then we will directly jump or land over on this search result. We'll click on the first one, and if you see here Google Integrity Experience lift off with next generation IDE. Okay, so this is the IDE, and this is AI based IDE, and this is killing all the AI based editors, right, that are there in market, like Cursor and then Lovable. These are like, we have a lot of things, right? We have Bolt, right? So now what we are going to do, we are just going to click on download for Windows, and let's directly download for 64, and we will try to install it as soon as possible once it downloaded. Okay, so let's download it here wherever it's download, and we'll directly open it from here. So let's check how much MB the size, right? If you have, it's still downloading, and let's wait a little bit time. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe and click on bell icon for more updates, and let's wait a little time. So finally it's downloaded. Okay, and let's open it here from here itself, and we'll try to install it here, right? So let's open it and let's wait. It will take a little time, and till that, let me promote my channel. If you like my content, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and click on bell icon. So setup now AntiGravity, I will accept the agreement, and you can just read out the agreement, but as of now we are not going to read. Let's click on next, and Windows Explorer context menu. You can add or create a desktop menu, right? Okay, let's just install it. So it will take a little time, maybe 1 or 2 minutes to install this new if you see here, it's showing user. So sometime what happens, if your laptop don't have permission, admin permission, then also you can install this AntiGravity in your system, as it is only getting installed for user. So let's wait. So finally this AntiGravity IDE is installed now on Windows, and let's open this first. Make sure guys, I will upload another video, and which is on this particular IDE, focused on how it is and what are the features are there. In this video I just walk through how to install this AntiGravity in Windows, and just I want to go through the IDE just, and make sure you check out my latest contents. I will be uploading another so you can import the things like storage flow and all, so you can import the things from here, and then VS Code like Cursor. Okay, so after this, or start fresh, you can just start fresh, and dark mode. Okay, so Tokyo Light, I will just use Tokyo Light, and agent driven and agent assisted development recommended. Okay, so let's go with this one, recommended. Terminal execution auto, and agent decide how, proceed decide. Okay, it will decide how to do, and then configure your editor like normal or Vim, key bindings, extensions, and all command line AntiGravity XG. Okay, let's install this and sign in with Google. Okay, so here one important thing is you have to sign in with Google. I have okay, let's check out how. Is there any, we need to sign in with Google. Okay, so we have one I have one account here. Let's open this, and sorry, it's a let's click on sign in, and then it will allow us to open this AntiGravity. I think it will get updated. Okay, setting up your nest, and then so this is the ID guys, and this is the UI. It's similar to Cursor, and they have introduced their own ID, that is AntiGravity, and the models. Okay, then if you see here, select model, which model, Gemini 3, all the models are here, right? And I think Gemini 3 Pro. So this is something that is, if you see here, this is Pro. Gemini 3 Pro is now free for testing purpose for limited time. You can check out, and you can start creating the projects here as of now, whenever like it is free. So let's check in next videos. Till now, bye bye. Till that, bye bye, and we'll meet in this video. Thanks for watching this video guys, and happy installation. Yeah.